Ever wondered why do some students end up scoring 99 plus percentile even with 2-3 months of preparation, while other students, even after preparing for the entire year, they end up somewhere in 80, 85, 90, 95 percentile. And even after working so hard, joining a particular institute, they're not able to reach to their dream schools. And then eventually they have to keep on repeating. People repeat for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, not able to get into their dream B school. So there is some fundamental flaw in the way in which these students are preparing, and that is what I'm really going to talk about in this video. So watch this very carefully so that you don't end up making the mistakes which other students who have to repeat themselves make it. Right? So typically there are, I think, two kinds of students who fail to achieve their dream B school in my honest opinion. First is those segment of students who join some coaching institutes early, December, January, February, March sort of thing, right? They start the preparation early. They even finish the syllabus, but then their entire focus while joining a particular coaching institute is either that they will only get the content and then they'll start preparing by themselves. They'll be like, ठीक है यार, my entire focus is just to finish on the entire syllabus in next 2, 3, 4 months. And once I have finished my syllabus, I've done my job. Syllabus हो गया, काम खत्म. अब अगस्त में क्या होता है, when these students start taking the mocks, IMS के mocks देंगे, SIMCAT देंगे या time के mocks देंगे, right? Then actual scenario comes into picture, right? So what happens is these students will start taking mocks, number इतने आएंगे नहीं, they'll start panicking right now, and then they realize कि यार अब क्या करना है, right? Because scores are in the range of 40s, 50s, 70s, 80s, 90s, anything less than 90, I consider it as poor or like average sort of scores, at least for the students who are targeting 99 plus percentile. So this is what happens to this segment, and then they start panicking कि sir number नहीं आ रहे, quant में score is less than 30, LRDI में less than 20, 25, VRC is less than 20, 25. So if you are in this segment, this is the mistake you have made, that you have only and only focusing on, you've only focused on finishing the syllabus and not focused on getting it right. कि यार किस strategy से मुझे question solve करना है, time based कैसे solve करना है, जल्दी क्वेश्चंस कैसे करना है, राइट? कौन से क्वेश्चंस पे मुझे टाइम स्पेंड करना है, उन सब पे फोकस नहीं किया, एंड हेंस दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू यू इन द मॉक्स. सेकंड कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इज दीस कैटेगरीज ऑफ लाइक सच स्टूडेंट्स हु फील कि सर मुझे तो फ्री में तैयारी करनी है. सो व्हाट दीस स्टूडेंट्स थिंक इज कि यार कंटेंट अवेलेबल है ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, रिवीजन करूंगा, आई विल राइट अ फ्यू मॉक्स, 5-10 मॉक्स दूंगा, एंड देन कैट में जाके कुछ चमत्कार हो जाएगा, एंड देन आई विल एंड अप स्कोरिंग 95, 99 प्लस. बट दैट डज नॉट हैपन. Even today morning, I got 2-3 pings, sir, मुझे कैट की तैयारी शुरू करनी है, आप फ्री मटेरियल बता दो. While I always suggest some free materials to them, but honestly, it will not help you at all. High chances you will have to repeat it again. अगले साल तुम पैसा लगाओगे, कहीं इन्वेस्ट कराओगे, एक साल वेस्ट कर दोगे, अगले साल तुम पैसा लगाओगे, you'll join some particular coaching and then you'll start preparing, and then again, it's not certain that you will end up in your dream B school, score आ जाएगा, but at least you will be at least one step closer to where you were when you started the last year. So this is what happens to the second category of people who are preparing by themselves, don't take any help. इस mindset में रहते हैं कि उनको सब आता है, mocks देने जाते हैं, score नहीं आता है, and still then they think यार एक कर लूंगा, खुद से हो जाएगा, and they always hesitate to seek for help. There are a lot of mentors available. We also provide personalized mentorship, but they would be so full of themselves that they'll even resist कि यार मुझे कुछ join नहीं करना, खुद से हो जाएगा. So ये दो टाइप की जनता है जो usually repeat करती है, and then they realize it only later, and hence I want to make this video for everyone कि यार what is it that we have in store for you guys, how can you be a part of my prep zone, and how can we help you overcome with this entire problem of repeating the entire year, right? So with this, let me launch the final batch for CAT 2023. And by the way, this is not the any traditional conventional batch that we have launched earlier. This is very different in itself. Here I have a very high expectation from all of you. So watch this video very carefully before signing up, and also listen to this, that what is it what's in it for you guys, and what is my basic expectation from you guys, right? I don't want students who want pure hand holding, because only 4 months are left to CAT. My personal interest would be in this batch will be if you are at a score of A, you should be at a score of 2A. अगर अभी 65-70 का score आ रहा है, after finishing this batch, I can guarantee you your score has to reach 100 plus, वरना it's all waste of time, effort, money on your part and my part. But I can tell you, you will reach there if you do each and everything that I ask you to do. It's unlikely, chances are less, again it can happen, but if you are decently knowledgeable person जिसको समझ में आता है कि क्या करना है, उसे पता है कि भाई क्या कैसे करना है, he just needs a particular direction or a mentorship, you will be able to reach from 70 to 100 guaranteed if you do exactly what I ask you to do. Because in this batch we are going to focus a lot on the applications rather than concept. Will not teach you profit is equals to SP minus CP, markup percentage क्या होता है, वो सब हम नहीं पढ़ाएंगे in this batch. Our basic expectation is ये तुम्हें पता है, you are here because you want to apply for it. Either you joined a particular coaching in the past, you got your syllabus done, but अभी application नहीं हो पा रहा है, score बढ़ाना है, or you are a repeater, taken CAT in the past, basic syllabus is in place, तुम्हें आती है चीजें, तुम्हें चीजें कैसी करनी है, जल्दी कैसे करना है, किन क्वेश्चंस को स्ट्रेटेजाइज करना है, स्कोर कैसे बढ़ाना है इंडिविजुअल सेक्शंस में, वो सीखना है, देन दिस इज द बैच फॉर यू. Okay, I hope I have set the basic expectations clear, right? So in this, let me disclose what's in it, what is my basic expectation, and how can I guarantee with 100% confidence that your score is really going to increase from 6570 to 9500 if you do exactly what I ask you to do. Okay? So, and also, by the way, we are calling this batch as a toppers exclusive edition, and there's a reason why we are calling it like this, right? Because see, yeah. So this is the launch of the third batch, the final batch, Toppers exclusive edition, the grand finale again. If you see the price of the batch, the last two batches were more conventional, more live, more focused on concepts, basics and handholding kari thi. So if you're someone who needs handholding, go and sign up for batch 2 that is happening live. But if you're someone who has started the preparation, अभी score बढ़ाना है, 20-30 का score में बहुत कुछ बढ़ जाता है. The entire opportunity cost of 1 year comes into play, right? So if you're someone जिसे अपना score 20-30 से बढ़ाना है, this is the perfect batch for you. I can guarantee that. इसलिए last दो batches की price was 25,000. इसकी price is exactly half. Last 4-5 साल से जब हम लोग mentorship provide कर रहे हैं, this is the first time we are offering a course at such an affordable price. You will not see it anywhere with the level of inclusions that this particular course has, right? So if you see, strategic batch होगा, मॉक्स पे स्ट्रैटेजी पे बहुत फोकस होगा, मॉक्स के एनालिसिस पे बहुत फोकस होगा, एप्लीकेशंस होंगे, टेस्ट काफी फ्रिक्वेंटली होंगे, राइट? तो इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें होगी कि हमें स्कोर और सही स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे पकड़ के लानी है. अगेन सेल्फ प्रेप पे फोकस होगा, बिकॉज इन द इट्स ओनली 3-4 months, राइट? सो वी डोंट रियली वांट टू कंस्ट्रेन यू गाइस कि यार तुम हमारे टाइमिंग के हिसाब से ही क्लासेस करो. इन दिस आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट आई विल गिव यू कंटेंट, will tell you, I'll personally sit with you guys ki yaar, based on your strength, your forte, this is the topic you should attempt first, this is the topic you should probably do after doing the topic number 1. So we'll sit together to finalize your entire charter, your entire roadmap. Once that is done, my expectation with you will be कि हम तुम्हें कंटेंट दे देंगे, तुम इसे अपने पेस से you start consuming it, and then every weekend we'll discuss कि लास्ट एक वीक में तुमने क्या किया. This content is pure knowledge, मतलब ऐसा कंटेंट तुम्हें पूरे इंटरनेट पे कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. This is guaranteed. This is my content. इसमें majority of the sessions will be mine. Quant मेरे होगा, LRDA मेरा होगा, right? Advanced workshops will be purely mine. If you got a chance to be a part of any one of my advanced workshops, you will know which quality that I'm talking about. Talk to any students of our past. Just ask for the feedback of my session and you will know what is it that I'm really pitching here for you guys, right? So if you see here, again, most affordable because 3-4 महीने बचे. My interest is कि यार तुम्हारा result कराऊंगा तभी it's in my favor, right? तभी I can put that hall of fame for my prep zone कि इस बच्चे का 99+ percentile आया है. So my personal expectation is कि इस बैच से कम 15 से 20 बच्चे मुझे निकालने 99+ percentile पे. If you have it in you कि you can reach to that percentile, join me, join us for this batch and let's do it together, right? So इसमें क्या क्या होगा? पहला VRC इसमें live होगा. Why? Because VRC recorded, कोई अगर तुम्हें कह रहा है कि VRC recorded है, that's the biggest scam. VRC recorded हो नहीं सकता. VRC में you need that faculty to directly touch base with you, directly discuss questions with you, and even you as an aspirant should question कि यार ma'am, my answer to this particular question is C, but the answer says A. Why is it A? No matter what textual or video recorded explanation you follow for IMS test series, SimCAT, or whatever coaching that you are associated with, nothing can really give you that level of confidence that one-on-one discussion with the mentor or the faculty will give you. And hence, intentionally VRC तो हमें live ही करना पड़ेगा. Again, a lot of focus will be on applications. So, for example, we'll give you a test कि यार 4 RCs आज डिस्कस करेंगे, ये RC करके आओ, क्लास में तुम्हें करके आना है, and then we'll discuss it live in the classes. Right? So you will discuss कि यार मैम ये RC मैंने छोड़ा क्योंकि मुझे ये नहीं चमका, ये समझ में नहीं आया. मैम will tell you कि क्यों नहीं समझा, right? What is that genre? So we'll try to break down the entire RCs in a form that you can probably digest. कुछ क्वेश्चन अगर तुम्हारा गलत हुआ है, we would expect you to discuss, doubt, fight, argue with the faculty members, but you keep on doing it until and unless you have got that particular question right. Right? So इसलिए VRC live होगा, काफी मजा आने वाला है. This, if you're someone who's still struggling with VRC, guys, this is your final chance, the final call to really make it happen for this year, for CAT 2023. Next, Quant and LRDI is going to be recorded, again recorded because it's in your interest. Sessions मेरे होंगे, ठीक है? Sessions 80, 95, 80, 90% of the sessions will be mine. Quality will be A-notch. You won't find it anywhere. ये content अगर तुमने कर लिया, there is no way you can't solve any other question of Quant. That's my guarantee and a promise to you guys, right? Hence ये content काफी अच्छे से करना है हमें. रिकॉर्डेड इसलिए ताकि तुम इसे अपने पेस पे कर पाओ. सुबह देखो, दिन में देखो, शाम में देखो, जो टॉपिक तुम्हारा वीक है उससे पहले देखो, जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसे बाद में देखो. एंड अगेन यू डोंट हैव टू डिसाइड इट बाय योरसेल्फ, यू विल सिट टुगेदर विद मी, विल हैव अ चार्टर फॉर यू कि कौन सा टॉपिक इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर कैट. अगेन राइट, आवर विजन है कि हमें कैट में स्कोर बढ़ाना है. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी हमें हो चुकी है, अभी स्कोर बढ़ाना है हमें. नेक्स्ट, एडवांस वर्कशॉप्स. इफ यू वांट टू सी अ डेमो, देख लो डेमो. इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल. मेरे कुछ सेशंस होंगे, those will be the kind of sessions that you can expect here, right? Again, fees का problem है guys, you can join this session. It is because it is my own guarantee कि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि तुम्हें ये कोर्स पसंद ना आए. So still, if you are unsatisfied with the batch, in next 3-4 days, I'll refund your 100% of the money with no questions asked. But I'm extremely confident कि ये कोर्स को अगर ढंग से करोगे, if you do exactly what I ask you to do, CAT में 99 plus percentile definitely आएगा, given you have a decent and average IQ. Okay, personalized mentorship with me. So we'll sit together every weekend to sort of strategize, to retrospect whatever we have learned in last 1 week and to accordingly plan it for the future weeks. Right? Periodic live test होंगे. Again, as I said, the focus is more on the application rather than on the concept. So every week, every fortnight, you can expect some live sessions जिसमें टेस्ट होगा. तुम्हें कंटेंट मिल जाएगा, यू विल बी एक्सपेक्टेड टू वॉच दैट कंटेंट, प्रिपेयर फॉर इट एंड देन टेस्ट लाइव होंगे. एंड देन जो मैंने बताया कि while my sessions will be recorded, but again I'm available online, right? I'm available live. We can sit together some weekends to discuss all of your doubts live. I'll be happy to have it. फिर भी अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि यार कोई टॉपिक नहीं समझ में आया, tell me, I'll be more than happy to have it live. Okay? Having said that, ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें सब कुछ अपने से करना है. हम तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस मटेरियल देंगे, हम तुम्हें असाइनमेंट्स देंगे. So for example, if you want to practice more questions from a particular topic, say PNC, you will have easy availability of the content at your ease. From the comfort of your home, you can do the topics as and when you want. Okay? Topic wise daily test before CAT. So this is our flagship thing, marathon event होता है. इसका price is around 6-7,000. That is inclusive here. इसमें तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा? कैट के 2 महीने पहले हम रोज रात में 9 से 11 वी डू 1 टेस्ट और 1 टॉपिक. आज क्वांट, कल एलआरडीआई वर्बल, फिर क्वांट एलआरडीआई वर्बल, और ऐसा करके हम क्वांट के सारे टॉपिक्स रिवाइज कराते हैं. बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकली इट्स नॉट feasible for you guys to go and revise quant last के 1-2 हफ्ते में, वो हो नहीं पाता ढंग से, because you also have to go and revise questions. So we try to do this for you guys in the form of daily test, ताकि अगर कोई concept तुम्हारा weak रह गया हो, go back when you have time in your hand and refer to the older videos, older content, contact us, contact the faculty, so that you know कि यार कहाँ कमी है, कहाँ अभी सही करनी है, when you have time in your plate, right? And then mock analysis, as I said, mocks पे काफी focus रहेगा. IMS के mocks is something that we are recommending you guys. If you haven't really purchased IMS mocks, ping me. We have tied up with IMS. We have a collaboration with IMS so that you can avail a flat 20% offer on any IMS SimCAT variant. But वो ले लेना क्योंकि 10,000 plus students take those mocks. So we'll be analyzing these mocks. ठीक है? Mocks कैसे analyze करना है उसका मैंने एक separate video बना दिया. But I hope this excites you. And if you think you can do it, guys, here's the last chance. 1 साल waste हो इसलिए better है. Invest at the right place right now. Still, if you have any other question, कुछ और पूछना है, you can always comment here. And this is the Facebook group where we have officially launched this batch. It will start in next couple of days. The discount of 50% because the price was 25,000. 12,500 का हमने अभी कोर्स किया. This is only available for the next 8 days. That's it. उसके बाद ये डिस्काउंट हट जाएगा. So if you want to sign up for it, do it early. If you have any question, ping me directly. You can find my contact number either on my website or Facebook or YouTube group. Okay. And this is the Facebook group. You can find it by CAT Preparation Prep Zone. इसमें हम लोग free daily activities भी start कर रहे हैं, right? So daily we'll try to post one topic and उसके 10 से 12 अच्छे questions हम करेंगे. We'll discuss all of it, right? So be a part of this group if you are not already a part of it. And this I hope is clear. So let's see how. And like I'm personally looking forward to see you in my classes and my advanced workshops. And if there is any question, guys, feel free to comment, reach out to me. And if you like this video, if you think you can share this with your friends whom you really love and you care about, spread it across, share it with as many aspirants as possible, and let's make it happen. Let's make you to 99+ percentile club. Okay.